Baik, terima kasih Fatih Dayat dan juga Hanim di Angkasa Puri di bilik operasi KLIA. Ketika ini nampaknya sidang media mengenai perkembangan terkini pesawat penerbangan Malaysia MH370. Baik, apa pun kita terus sahaja ke sidang media yang baru saja berlangsung ketika ini. Silakan.
Suka tak suka ialah untuk mencari pesawat, dan itu merupakan tumpuan kita. Dan dalam hal ini saya nak maklumkan bahawa kemungkinan kapal terbang ini terpaksa melakukan air turn back juga diambil kira dalam perbincangan kita. Bermakna bahawa dalam usaha kita mencari dan menyelamat, kita juga mesti perluaskan lokasi-lokasi tumpuan. Perkara kedua, saya agak terharu dengan kerjasama dan sambutan mereka yang nak tampil ke hadapan, khususnya daripada negara-negara jiran, di mana semalam saya dapat berbual dengan Menteri Pertahanan Singapura, Dr. Eng Hen, di mana Singapura juga telah bersetuju untuk deploy MV Swift Submarine Escape Reserve Vessel-nya, RSS Vigor, Missile Corvette Search Capabilities, dan RSS Steadfast Frigate Sonar Search Capabilities. Ini perkembangan daripada apa yang telah pun dimaklumkan oleh Yang Amat Berhormat Perdana Menteri semalam. Belum lagi kita dapat umumkan aset-aset lain daripada negara China, Indonesia dan juga Amerika Syarikat. Bermakna bahawa semua tumpuan kita, sama ada daripada dalam ataupun daripada luar, khusus ialah untuk mencari dan insya-Allah dapat menyelamat sesiapa yang kita doakan selamat pada ketika ini. Perkara terakhir yang saya nak maklumkan dalam press conference pagi ini ialah dari segi minyak yang dikesan di perairan Vietnam. Sah, memang ada minyak tetapi tidak ada debris, dan sekarang dalam masa kita bercakap hari ini, sekarang ni kita tahu bahawa pesawat-pesawat Vietnam telah pun ke sana untuk mengenal pasti sama ada minyak yang berada di permukaan perairan di sana merupakan pesawat yang berkenaan. Dari segi pasport yang palsu, malam semalam saya telah pun berbincang dengan agensi-agensi risikan kita dan juga di tingkat antarabangsa, dan saya boleh mengesahkan bahawa agensi-agensi risikan antarabangsa telah pun setuju untuk bekerjasama dan melibatkan juga CT unit masing-masing, iaitu the Counter Terrorism Unit, supaya apa yang dimaklumkan sebelum ini, kita melihat tragedi ini sebagai sesuatu yang tak boleh kita ambil mudah, apa jua kemungkinan dalam hal ini. That is what I can reveal since yesterday. Just to reiterate in English that we have been up all night, and that we confirm that our search now has been extended to even wider areas, because there is the possibility, we're looking at the possibility of an aircraft air turn back, in which case different locations will have to be identified. Secondly, I am very pleased with the cooperation from neighbouring countries. Yesterday I was with Minister Eng Hen from Singapore, and 3 vessels have been deployed from Singapore to assist us. This does not include those that are already on the way to respective sites from China, from US, and respective commitments that we have received from the Philippines, Indonesia, and also Vietnam. Thirdly, the issue of the oil slick, I can confirm that there was an oil slick, no debris. But what we are doing now, I was told that the Vietnamese aircrafts are on the site right now, to verify what actually is it on the surface of those waters. Finally, on the issue of the passports, I'm in touch with the international intelligence agencies. At the same time, our own intelligence has been activated. And of course, the counter-terrorism units, CTIs and CTUs, from all the relevant countries will be have been informed, and that's what I've been doing since yesterday.
Menteri.
Ya, saya. Nanti pukul 1 lepas ni kita ada mesyuarat lagi, berbincang bersama-sama dengan pihak TUDM dan dengan di situ DCA, TUDM dan pengesahan yang lebih tepat akan kita maklumkan pukul 1, press conference pukul 1 nanti.
Sorry, can you confirm whether the FBI has...
It's okay, don't relax, don't worry.
Now there are 4 people being investigated for the wrong passport.
All the 4 names are with me. I've indicated to our intelligence agencies, and I've also spoken to the international intelligence agencies to assist us, and I'll be meeting them later this afternoon.
Does that include the FBI, sir?
Yes, it does.
And have they dispatched agents?
Yes, they have. Not agents, but they already have officers already here who I've already met earlier, and I will be discussing further with them.
So you are treating this as a terror?
No, we're looking at all possibilities.
4 names, you mean the names that are in the passports?
The ones that have been looked at and discussed in the media and the social media,
The ones that
and
are
also the whole manifest list that is on board.
Do you have any CCTV footage of these 4 people, because there are cameras all over KLIA? Do you have specific?
We will inform it as soon as we manage to coordinate all the investigations. I'll have to confirm with the Malaysian airports. I have not seen it yet.
So how do people with stolen passport get on board the plane? Isn't there a
That has not been concluded as yet.
Is there a lapse in Malaysia's immigration procedure?
Immigration is also involved, but I think if it's an international network, immigration in Malaysia alone will not be sufficient.
Berapa keseluruhan negara yang terlibat dalam penyelamat?
Yang menyelamat ni kalau kita nak kira bantuan daripada negara-negara lain, jumlahnya cukup besar.
The manifest released to the media, right? Is it the final version, the updated version of only those who have boarded the flight? Because there are reports surfacing that the 2 imposters could have not, they're not on the flight actually. So just want to see if it's the final version, those have only boarded.
The manifest basically records the people that's actually on the flight.
Already on the flight. So that means the 4 names are the people on the flight.
So they included the 2 Chinese like cancelled fake passport from the Chinese.
Those people that boarded the flight, and those were the list, the names that was given in the manifest.
Can you just name the 4 person being investigated right now?
Sorry?
Can you just name the 4 person being investigated?
No, I think let me, like I said, I've made a decision that we will inform the press from time to time. And as I've indicated, I need to discuss with the international intelligence agencies, together with those in China too. And we will have to decide what can be revealed or what can be revealed.
Sir, can I say you're investigating 4 persons, sir?
More, I think we're investigating the whole manifest.
Sir, the plane lost contact at 2:40 in the morning. The company was only informed around.
No, we've already answered that yesterday.
What happened during those 5 hours?
We will let you know if there are any more issues that need to be answered, but I think the issue has been addressed.
There's a report that says
Chinese officials have spotted debris off the east coast of the peninsula.
That report has not been received by us. The only report on respect to the oil slick involves the Vietnam waters. And like I said, there are planes from Vietnam who are at the site right now.
Could you just indicate to us, the investigation of the 4 or the whole manifest? What are you investigating?
Well, I mean, the issue here is that, as I indicated, we are looking at all possibilities.
Sir, so the 4 people are the
We do
Italian.
not want to target for only 4. I think those are names that have been that the public wants to know.
So Italian.
But we are
Austrian,
looking at the
and 2 others.
we are looking at the whole manifest.
Sir, can we say, okay, so is there a security lapse at immigration that allows...
Or
this
we don't
four
even
person-
have a decision. We haven't even decided on whether there is a security risk at all.
Sir, can you explain how exactly a person gets in? There's a general way. If I am going out of Malaysia, what exactly
Like I
are the
said,
things that are performed?
we have to not jump the gun.
No, sir, this is not.
So this is about standard
We'll
operating.
get-
So
we'll
what is
get-
the standard operating procedure? What
If
is
it's not a security risk,
Okay.
we have to establish that first. And if it is a security risk, let's see where the lapse is.
Can you confirm
I've got
the
nothing to
last
hide. But the main thing here, guys, for me and for the families are concerned, is to find the aircraft. We will find out on lapses and shortages and who is at who were brought risk to the issue.
How many
planes, how many ships
airplanes are
does
leaving?
Malaysia have?
At 1 o'clock, we will reveal to you because it is happening as we speak.
Are we using our submarines? Malaysian
No,
submarines?
there's no need to. Because the submarines are not equipped for search and rescue.
There's a report that a separate MAS pilot who was going to Japan was in radio contact.
I have
If
not
the
got
plane
that
went down.
report,
Is that true?
and I was told, I don't know, maybe MS will have to answer that.
We actually asked the pilots that have flown in that region during that time to report whether they have actually managed to make contact with this aircraft. And I think after the time that we mentioned we lost contact, nobody was able to make any contact.
So the report is false.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
We'll meet you guys again at 1 o'clock. We'll have more details then.
President's cooperation, are you suspecting it's hijacking?
Well, there are many issues, and I have the experience in the whole ministry to know exactly what to look for.
So what is the most likely cause
Thank you.
at the moment, sir? What is the most likely cause being involved at the moment?
Baiklah, itulah dia sedikit sidang sedutan sidang media yang berlangsung tadi, di mana dapat saya simpulkan di sini bahawa kenyataan Datuk Seri Hishamuddin tadi bahawa usaha mencari dan juga menyelamat pesawat MH370 dalam penerbangan ke Beijing, China sedang dipergiatkan operasi yang dijalankan semalam yang masih gagal dikesan tersebut. Malah katanya kawasan pencarian pesawat juga turut diperluas dan menyentuh mengenai pertumpahan minyak yang dikesan. Kata beliau ia adalah wujud dan sedang disiasat ketika ini, dan dari segi pasport palsu pula kerjasama agensi risikan dan juga antarabangsa bersetuju melihat ia lebih jauh supaya isu-isu ini tidak boleh dipandang enteng dan dapat diselesaikan secepat mungkin. Baik, apapun kita sebagai rakyat Malaysia, kita harus mendoakan yang terbaik untuk mereka. Apapun selepas ini sidang media seterusnya akan berlangsung di sini pada pukul 1 petang nanti. Saya kira setakat ini saja perkembangan yang dapat dikongsikan di sini. Kita bersama dengan rakan-rakan penyampai di akan Seri. Silakan.